You searched how to buy shares of Sadot Group Inc., ticker SDOT. Sadot Group Inc. is listed on the NASDAQ and operates in an industrial manufacturing sector. This is a brief educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds to place a trade. Use the broker platform search field and type the ticker SDOT to find Sadot Group Inc. Locate the NASDAQ listing and select the result that matches the company name and ticker. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for SDOT. Confirm the company name, ticker SDOT, and the NASDAQ exchange to ensure you have the correct listing. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Choose how much money or how many shares you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market opens according to the order type. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to deposit more before confirming. After the order executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to review the platform mentioned in this video.